As a solo creator, one common obstacle that we encounter is needing a camera person to help us shoot. Even if it's something small, like keeping us in the middle of the frame as we move around. We can always ask a friend to help, but that's not always going to be the case. So to fix that problem, there is an accessory called the Pivo Pod, which tracks you around as you move. Pivo did send me this to try out, and they are the sponsor of this video, so I'm just going to show you guys how this works and if this is the right thing for you. First is it's super easy to set up. It would take you less than a minute and probably even less if you already have the pod on a tripod. So basically put the Pivo Pod on a tripod, attach your phone, turn on the Pivo app, and you can start shooting. All of this you're seeing now is part of the creator set, which comes with everything you need. Now there is already a mount on the Pivo Pod itself, but I would personally use the smart mount just because it's more flexible. You can get the exact angle you want with your phone. And also there is a cold shoe on top, so you can actually attach more accessories if you want to. Now for those who record with their action cameras, there is also a mount for that as well. The tripod is very simple and easy to use, and you can quickly extend it using the latches. And surprisingly, the tripod is pretty tall. It gets to about my height, which I'm around 5'8". This Pivo mic is wireless. That means that I can actually stay away from the phone to get good audio and still capture my voice clearly. And also this is a remote control, so I can stop and start recording whenever I want. And you can easily do that by pressing the middle button on the mic. A lav mic is also included in the box, so if you want better audio for the most part, I would honestly just stick with this. And within the app, you have different sound profiles that you can choose from. This one is just going to be the basic one, so you guys can just get a general consensus of how it sounds like, and you can choose between different microphones to use, or even both. Headphones are included, and I love how I can easily go back to the clips and listen to it, make sure it sounds good before going to the new clip. And I can do that easily by using the same port as the one with the lav mic. If you're not planning to use the microphone at all, you do have a remote control which does the same thing. You can start and stop, and then you can manually move if you want to. So if I do this really quickly, it's really quick, but I wouldn't use this while filming. For those vloggers out there, it's super handy to have a light, especially at night, and they do come with one which is super small and compact. It's like literally smaller than my palm. You can use it by itself where you press the button multiple times to change the brightness and color temperature, and also you can actually control this within the Pivo app. So basically the same thing, you can change the color temperature and brightness. So by now you've seen the Pivo app on screen, and it can be scary to use like any new app, but honestly it's not hard at all. They are two apps, the Pivo Play and the Pivo Plus. I would say the easier one to use is the Pivo Plus. It's really user-friendly and simple to look at, and there are many options, but not too many to the point where it's super confusing. You have control of the light, the microphone, and you can choose what tracking you would like to use. And there's also a unique option where you can have it automatically zoom in and out depending on your frame. You can also set profiles where if you know you're always using these settings, set that as a preset and quickly go to that profile, and you can just go right to shooting and no need to touch any other settings. The other app is called Pivo Play, where you have a lot more fun and cool modes you can use with the Pivo Pod. Of course, this app can also track like the other one, but you're going to be spending more time going into these different modes and trying to get the correct settings and setting the correct pan movement and all the certain pictures you want to take on the settings. So I'll say that you're going to spend more time in this app before being able to shoot versus the other one. So from my experience, if you just want to track yourself and start shooting right away, use the Pivo Plus. If you want to use all those cool and fun modes and get some cool pictures and videos, use the Pivo Play. So by now, you would probably have figured out if you need the Pivo Pod for the content you create. So basically, if you need a camera to track yourself, let's say you're doing cooking and you need to move from the sink to the stove, or even doing a tutorial where you need to move around to show what you need to show. And everything in the creator set is super easy to use and super high quality. Even by itself, it's useful in that way as well. Now, the only thing I would change is the micro USB charging on the Pivo Pod, because by now, most of the stuff that I carry around is mostly USB-C, and even the Pivo mic and light also charges through USB-C, so it would be nice to just carry one cable to charge everything and not two. So that is the Pivo Pod, and it's super helpful for solo creators like me who would want some extra movement within A-rolls or just track myself doing tutorials and stuff like that. So I'll put the affiliate link down below with a 10% discount code if you guys are interested. And also if you guys got any questions, put them down there as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.